These workout gadgets will make exercising so easy that you'll forget about the gym. Watch till the end. Don't find the links because they are in description and comments. Let's start. The Vinsquare Ab Roller Wheel isn't just another fitness gadget. It's your ultimate weapon for sculpting rock-solid abs and building core strength like never before. With its dual-wheel design, it offers unmatched stability, making intense workouts safer and more effective. Say goodbye to wobbly single-wheel struggles and hello to a smooth, controlled roll that targets your abs, hip flexors, and back muscles with precision. The ergonomic handles ensure a firm grip, while the included knee pad adds comfort, allowing you to push your limits without discomfort. Pros: dual-wheel design provides better balance and control, targets multiple muscle groups for a full core workout, compact and lightweight for easy portability. High weight capacity ensures long-term durability. Ergonomic handles offer a comfortable non-slip grip. Knee pad adds extra protection and support. Cons: requires proper form to avoid lower back strain. Beginners may find it challenging to use initially. The AXV vibration plate isn't just a fitness gadget, it's your personal gateway to a full-body transformation with minimal effort. Imagine burning fat, toning muscles, and improving circulation just by standing on this powerful vibrating platform. It's like bringing a high-tech gym into your home. With speeds ranging from 1 to 120 and included resistance bands, you can customize your workout for maximum impact in just 10 minutes a day. Whether you're looking to enhance muscle recovery, boost metabolism, or simply enjoy a relaxing lymphatic massage, this machine does it all. Pros: full body vibration activates muscles for enhanced toning and fat burning. Adjustable speed settings cater to all fitness levels. Resistance bands allow upper and lower body engagement. Built-in Bluetooth speaker adds entertainment to workouts. Compact and easy to store for home use. Supports muscle recovery and improves circulation. Cons: may take time to adjust to vibration intensity. Not a replacement for traditional strength training. The Marcy Wrist and Forearm Developer is the perfect tool for building serious grip strength, whether you're an athlete, musician, or just looking to improve your arm endurance. Imagine effortlessly strengthening your wrists, forearms, and fingers with targeted exercises that enhance both flexor and extensor muscles. With an adjustable grip and variable resistance, you can customize your workout to match your strength level, ensuring consistent progress. Pros: strengthens forearms, wrists, and fingers effectively. Adjustable grip provides a customized fit. Variable resistance allows progressive training. Compact and portable for easy storage. Helps improve grip strength for sports and daily activities. Cons: may not provide enough resistance for advanced users. Foam grips may wear out over time. The FitBeast Grip Strengthener Kit is the ultimate tool for anyone looking to boost grip power, whether for sports, rehabilitation, or everyday tasks. Imagine effortlessly improving your hand strength with adjustable resistance levels that let you progress at your own pace. The ergonomic design ensures comfort, reducing strain while delivering powerful results. Whether you're a rock climber, musician, or just want a stronger grip, this compact and portable kit is ready to go wherever you do. Pros: ergonomic design enhances comfort and reduces fatigue. Compact and portable for easy use anywhere. Ideal for athletes, musicians, and rehabilitation. Durable, non-slip grip ensures a secure hold. Cons: plastic construction may not feel premium, requires consistency for noticeable results. The MQRW push-up board and home gym system transforms your workout routine by combining multiple fitness tools into one compact portable package. With a foldable push-up board featuring targeted muscle zones, resistance bands, an 80 roller wheel, and a Pilates bar, it offers a full-body workout without the need for bulky equipment. Feel the burn as you sculpt your chest, shoulders, core, and legs, whether at home or on the go. Designed for all fitness levels, this versatile system makes strength training more effective, helping you build muscle and burn calories anytime, anywhere. Pros: all-in-one system replaces bulky gym equipment. Foldable push-up board targets muscle groups efficiently. Portable and easy to store for home or travel workouts. Adjustable resistance bands allow for varied intensity. Includes AB roller and Pilates bar for full-body training. Cons: may require time to set up and adjust components. Some users may prefer heavier resistance bands. Sorry to disturb, but please comment on what topic the next video should be about. The WonderCore Smart is your ultimate home gym companion, making core workouts more effective and accessible for all fitness levels. With its adjustable resistance system, it supports and challenges your muscles, helping you target stubborn midsection fat and sculpt your abs, arms, and legs with precision. Whether you're performing sit-ups, push-ups, or bicycle kicks, this compact and foldable machine ensures a full-body workout in a small space. Feel the burn, push through the resistance, and watch your strength transform, all from the comfort of home. Pros: compact Compact and foldable for easy storage and portability. Supports multiple exercises for a full body workout. Includes a fitness guide for structured training. Cons: limited weight capacity may not suit advanced users. Resistance adjustment may take time to fine-tune. The Renpho Mini Thermal Massage Gun combines deep tissue relief with soothing heat therapy, creating the ultimate portable solution for muscle tension and soreness. With a powerful motor reaching up to 3,000 RPM, it delivers effective percussive force to target muscle aches, while the heat-conductive steel head provides calming warmth to further relax and heal. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, its lightweight, compact design ensures comfort anytime, anywhere. Pros: portable, cordless design for convenience, customizable silicone sleeves for style and comfort, long-lasting battery life for continuous use. Cons: smaller size may not be as powerful for larger muscle groups. Limited heat intensity may not provide enough relief for deep tissue. Voltrix Premium Electric Protein Shaker Bottle combines innovation with practicality to enhance your fitness routine. Its powerful vortex mixing ensures smooth, clump-free shakes, while the durable Triton construction is both BPA-free and shatter-resistant. With a sleek design and 600 milliliter capacity, it makes the perfect companion for your post-workout recovery. Enjoy up to a month of use on just a 2-hour charge, making it convenient for your busy lifestyle. Pros: shatter-resistant and BPA-free Triton material, easy to clean with IPX5 certification for washing, sleek and portable design, perfect for on-the-go use. Cons: capacity measurements may be inaccurate after 20 ounces, slightly bulky compared to regular shaker bottles. The Renpho Body Measuring Tape is the perfect tool for anyone serious about tracking their body changes. Whether you're aiming to lose weight, gain muscle, or simply keep track of your fitness journey, this smart tape measure provides accurate readings and integrates seamlessly with the Renpho Health app to chart your progress. The large LCD screen makes reading your measurements easier than ever, and the retractable, easy lock hook ensures you can measure yourself with precision. Its compact design allows you to carry it anywhere, making it ideal for home, gym, or travel use. Pros: retractable, easy lock hook for solo use. Supports multiple user profiles, making it family-friendly. Compact and portable, perfect for on-the-go tracking. Cons: requires the Renpho Health app for full functionality. The Boxing Reflex Ball Set is an excellent way to enhance your boxing skills and improve hand-eye coordination, speed, and reflexes. With varying weights of 4 boxing balls, a headband, and spare strings, this set offers an engaging and interactive workout. The added Punch Counter app allows you to track your progress, challenging you to set new records while keeping the training fun. It's suitable for all ages, making it a great gift for anyone looking to improve their fitness in an entertaining way. Pros: improves reflexes, hand-eye coordination, and agility. Compatible with iOS and Android apps for tracking progress. Fun for all ages, from kids to seniors. Durable, premium materials ensure long-lasting use. Makes a great gift for fitness enthusiasts. Cons: requires a smartphone and app for full functionality. Might be challenging for complete beginners. That's end. Meet in these videos. Stay safe forever.